So, I decided this morning that I need to just get in the water. I was like, it's cold outside, but I want to feel the refreshing currents of a natural river on my body, on these rocks, slippery rocks. Like, I want to feel that. So I'm about to get in this water. And I asked myself, what is the reason? Why do I want to go in this water? And I think the reason is it's just so beautiful. It's so natural. It's so free. Like, I want to feel that. I want to feel that freedom. I want to feel that abundance of this water just flowing. I want to just flow like water. That's why I want to get in it.
This is I wanna feel. This is I wanna feel.